Glenpool's mayor sees it as the Field of Dreams, a sports complex that could revitalize the city's economy. But some residents want to see the city spending money somewhere else. 2 News reporter Joe Hankey has that story new on 2.
These things act as a catalyst to bring other businesses around.
Glenpool's mayor Mamadou Cissé wants voters to vote yes this Tuesday, turning these 37 acres of city land by Highway 75 into a multi-purpose sports complex. 6 ball fields, 2 restaurants, batting cages, and an indoor facility for athletics or non-sport use. All paid for by renewing Glenpool's 0.6 cent sales tax, the city's portion of the current Tulsa County Vision tax.
We're asking the voters of Glenpool to go to the polls on Tuesday and say, yes, we want to continue levying this tax after it expires at the end of 2016.
But not all voters will be checking yes at the polls. Christine Adams isn't opposed to the tax. She just wants it spent elsewhere.
Like street improvements. We have an existing park, Morris Park at 121st and Highway 75, which is multi-purpose, can be used. And they have done no improvements, major improvements out there.
And with a still recovering economy, the timing is wrong for Adams.
It's just not a good time to be voting yes to put in a major multi-purpose facility.
If voted down, the tax will expire unless extended through a different proposal. If extended, the city says the fields will eventually attract more restaurants and hotels to Glenpool.
Now this complex is going to have a regional draw from Arkansas, Kansas, Missouri, all of Oklahoma.
The polls open Tuesday morning at 7 and close at 7 Tuesday night. In Glenpool, Joe Hankey, 2 News works for you.
Joe, thanks. Glenpool's mayor says the fields would cost between $15 to $17 million and be built over an 18 to 24 month period.